Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add GoKwik in your Shopify store. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now the first way to do this is to go to the apps section here and go to add. And then here you will have to search for the GoKwik app in the Shopify app store. So let me open it in a new tab. So here in this app store, basically we'll have to search it from here. But an easier way to do that is just to go to the search bar in the top and then type go quick, right? So here, let's just wait for it to load, and here it is quick COD and checkout. So let's click on this. It will redirect us to another page, and here you will have this page for GoKwik. So here you will have a install button or add app to the Shopify store button. But since I'm not in India right now, the app isn't compatible with my store because I'm not in India basically, but you can do it only if you are in India. So here you can review all the app's features and you decide whether you want to work with it or not. And then once you have added the GoKwik app onto your Shopify store, you will just have to log in and complete the login form and the integration of the app on the Shopify store basically. So yeah, that's it. That's easy and very quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.